Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm about to show you how to go from this to this. Before we jump into today's video, in the end of this video, I am announcing giveaway details because I am giving away 2 different bags of a bunch of makeup. Let's roll it, girl. So this is our inspo for today. I am honestly so excited about it, so intrigued by this makeup look, and I am just ready to slay it. Going in with some primer. It is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. It's the mini one I got from Ipsy. I am just slapping this on so your makeup can last all night at a party or even 48 hours. We gotta keep it on there. Next step is to get a very light foundation. I'm going in with a pretty light one. This is the Sephora foundation stick. I actually ended up reviewing a long time ago their whole line. I haven't used this foundation since just because it wasn't my favorite, but we're gonna use it for Halloween. Taking a foundation brush because foundation sticks tend to not blend well with a beauty sponge. If you do not know, I have been doing 2 videos every week in the whole month of October, and they are all Halloween related videos. So I am giving you the ultimate Halloween guide on if you are wondering what you should be for Halloween, if you just want to watch them, because I love watching Halloween makeup videos, or if you're just bored, you know, just watch them on replay. Next is a glue stick because we have to block out the brows. I know, it's so sad, but you just need a glue stick. Honestly, last time I did this, I could not get it out of my eyebrows fully. Like, it was a little bit there the other day, but that's okay. Take a spoolie and just spoolie your hairs up and away. Then we take some powder and powder these babies down. Then we put more foundation. This isn't the best foundation for covering this, but that's okay. Okay, so they are pretty covered now, and I kind of look literally insane, but that's okay. We're gonna bring that down to the eyes. Going in with the Kat Von D palette. Jawline has to be snatched. Stippling that red color from the James Charles palette, kind of mixed with like this dark shade on top. I'm just kind of getting that color in before we start blending. So I'm first just gonna blend it all down the neck just to give it a little bit of like definition. It's gonna look super good on camera if you blend it down the neck, if you want to take pictures or anything like that. Kind of just is looking like a bunch of blush, which it kind of is just supposed to look like. Now I'm just gonna cut that contour with some powder so we get a more defined shape. So I ended up just like blending some black in over here, just on the outside to create some dimension. And now we're gonna go ahead and stick on some brows. So basically what she did was block out her brows and use eyeliner to put them on. So that's what we are going to do and try to succeed. So I have the first one on, and I just left a split right there. Now we're gonna slap on some eyeshadow just to create some dimension. So just really dark, smoky eyeshadow is the key here. Now that I've popped on some smoky stuff, I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, going in with like this white shade. Now this is probably the best white that I've ever had in a palette. And I'm just gonna go over my eyebrows, going under my eye with a smoky shade. So then we can bring it down and create a triangle. Then taking the deep red shade and making that triangle. split off those eyebrows. Just going in with a deep purple and making sure I'm smoking out that mouth. I'm taking a bright red. I'm just gonna go over my lips with some red lipstick. We are going to pop on some clown eyelashes. Now, after we have finished some lashes, I'm going in with some red on the nose, just to add a little, you know, something extra. Then we're just gonna put some highlight on that nose, then some highlight on the lips. Now our clown look is officially complete. I hope you guys enjoyed, and now we are to the giveaway portion of this video. So first, I'm going to tell you how you can enter. So for this one, I'm going to have you guys leave all of your Instagram handles in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram, comment on my first post, and like my 3 recents. Also, this one's going to be US only. I'm also going to announce the giveaway on October 31st, so be ready on Halloween. There will be more details on how you can get more points and have extra entries to win in the description down below, so let's get into what you will win. There are going to be 2, but the first one, you are going to get this Stay Golden bag, some Refresh and Revitalize eye patches, the Sephora I Love Nude eye palette, the Pixie Clarify lotion, this amazing scented rose shea butter, and that is for the first one, and obviously you will get a little card from me in these when you receive them. The next one, you will receive this silver cute bag, these 2 specific eye brushes, the same eye patches, a peachy tone eyeshadow I Love palette from Sephora as well, and the KKW cream lipstick in the shade Pink 3. Good luck, you guys. I love you. Let's roll some bloopers, and I will see you Thursday. The bra strap is showing.